Maybe we can have a brief response.
I
Yes.
talked to her earlier, no. Ang ibig niyang sabihin kasi, because the root of the struggle, the moral struggle, right? Yung parang trying other countries trying to influence them, you know, enter their culture and maybe maapektuhan yung kultura nila, ganon, right? Parang how do you prevent that from happening? Kumbaga, as we rebuild with other countries trying to help ma-maintain yung culture ng Moro at hindi sila, ano bang concern mo, mapunta sila doon?
Magkaroon po ng ma-colonize po yung
Colonize, that's her concern.
Okay, well, we'll get that answer from Senator Richard Gordon, who just joined us. Correct, sir?
Yes.
And thank you for being here. Go ahead, po.
Thank you. Well, we cannot base our actions on fear. We are a very strong country individually. But as a team, we're quite weak because we don't see the common good. What is the common good in Marawi today? We have to restore opportunities. Lives have been lost, business has been lost, livelihood has been lost. So the quicker we get back on our feet, we must do it. Hindi naman natin tatanggapin lahat. For an example, if we look at Marawi, that looks like a better version of Lake Geneva. And I suggested this the other day. At noong pang 2009, in fact, not just Lake Marawi, but Lake Laguna de Bay, or Lake Cebu, or yung mga lakes natin, no? If we go to Geneva, all the properties there are beside the water, and they really create opportunities. So it's important na magkaroon tayo ng master plan kaagad dyan, because all the riparian areas, yung tabi ng coast, ang dami niyan. Kakalat ang development. You could have transportation, iikot ka na lang sa paligid ng lake. You could have all kinds of showcase of the Maranao culture, the Torogan houses, Torogan village. You can even have a Tausug village if you like, because this is the center, the most populous city of Muslims in our country. So to me, it's an opportunity. Nawasak ito, baguhin natin. When I went to Marawi about a few years ago, sabi ko sa governor ninyo, ang sisikip ng daan, salabat ang development. Pero pag inayos mo yan, lagyan mo ng mga tree lines, lagyan mo ng maganda talaga, then Mindanao culture will rise. Filipino culture in the Moro will rise. And when that happens, there will be opportunity. Balawi could be a domestic airport. You have an international airport in CDO, yung Lalindingan. So, sayang naman ang infrastructure kung di natin gagamitin for tourism or for opportunity development. I was with some Italians. They're looking for opportunities here, IPI. And I said, ano gusto nyo? Public-private partnership. Tingnan nyo kagad, ang pinakamagandang opportunity yan, medyo nasisira yung Marawi, mag-public partnership kayo with the Marawi people, may capital dyan, o doon sa ating gobyerno, para mabilis natin maibangon. And that's always a period of opportunity when you reconstruct. We should look at it that way.